What is going on, guys? I'm Sandoval here with another live trading video today, Wednesday, May 13th, 2020. As you guys can see on my screen, I have 4 charts that I'm going to be looking at today. We have the Nasdaq, we have the S&P, oil, and the Russell. I am trading a funded account, and I have a video explaining how you guys can get also funded without risking your own money. You can check that out on my channel. So if you have not subscribed, guys, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and you can watch that video. So today, guys, I have this semi-automated software that I've been using. It's helping me with looking at the market and which way it wants to go, and it helps me with my entries, stop loss, and target profits. So as we can see here on Nasdaq, I do have a money management goal of making $500 a day, and maximizing my loss of $500 also, which is following rules of about between 2 and 5% of your account size. So with that said, guys, I still, every time I go into a trade, I still, move my stop loss, so I don't have to necessarily hit those 500, right? Try to minimize it if we see that the market is doing a strong pullback or it's going to go the other way. All right, guys, so with that said, got about 4 minutes before market opens. I'm going to pause the video, and I will get you guys back when we're ready to trade. And guys, I am back. We are ready for the market to open. There it is, guys. Market opens. You can start seeing the software start plotting this shaded area, which is our supply and demand zone. So basically the rules are, if the market goes either above or below this zone, wait for it to break, do a pullback, and then we'll enter in that direction. So I have the software not to give me any signals in the first 5 minutes. So I like to see what the market wants to do for the day. So let's see what this first 5 minutes what it wants to do, and then we'll start getting ready to see if we see a good setup and take a trade. Alright, guys, so we're ready to go short. Alright, guys, we're in this trade. See if we can get our first target.
Order filled.
First target hit.
Order filled.
Second target hit. Man, that was fast. 325 in the bag. Guys, that was like a 3-second trade. Wow. Just like that, 325. At this point, I'm going to see if there's another opportunity, but I did this. It already went too low to sell again. So now we can wait. Alright, guys, I tried to wait to see if there was another setup, but I see that the market is out now, just going through kind of like a range, so it's probably going to be a setup maybe later on today, but I'm okay. We made this 325. It's close to our $500 goal. I'm not going to risk going to another trade and then loses money, so I'm gonna stop the video for today. Stop trading for today. You guys saw that trade was, by the time I went in and I was trying to, just maximize the chart. It took like 5 seconds, I think, to make this. So I'm good with that. So with that said, guys, if you guys are new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you have any comments, put them below. I'll make sure I will answer. And I will see you guys in the next trading video. Thanks for watching.